How not to run out of cash in your business. Cash is the most important thing you can think about in your business. It's literally the life of your business. You don't exist on profits alone or run a business on profits alone. I've seen a lot of property investors look at deals and think, oh, I'm going to make so much profit from flipping this property, but they haven't thought about what the cash flow would look like. When is this cash needed? How is it going to be phased out when you're paying your tradesmen? How much are you going to need at what point in time? That is something you need to think about. So my tip to you is to make sure you are forecasting your cash. What does this entail? You are literally setting aside or creating a budget for your cash. When is the cash going to flow in your business, whether it's from clients or whether it's from any other income? You put it into that forecast. When are you going to have cash leave the business? So all your outflows, make sure you add that into your forecast. And then also leave some headroom. So you want to make sure in case something happens, right? You've taken that into account. You can leave a headroom for a scenario to say in case something goes wrong. That will make sure you're covered even if the worst situation happens. So just make sure you try to forecast your cash in advance, and if any changes happen, you make sure you put them into that cash flow as well. You can actually connect your cash flow system or your cash flow reports to your bank system so that it becomes a rolling cash flow forecast. And what that means is that if anything changes in your bank account, it updates your cash flow basically as at that point. So some charges sometimes come in extra, or sometimes some clients don't pay on time, and then it updates the forecast for you. So you know exactly when do you need to find lending, when do you need to get additional borrowing, or when do you need to reinvest some of those funds because now they're excess cash and you're not utilizing them. So you want to get a return on all your cash. So just make sure that you don't run out of cash. Pre-plan your cash flow, see how far it's going and how far it can take you, and make plans before you get to critical points.